Can the brand new DJI Pocket 3 ActiveTrack the Mini 4 Pro? Let's go and have a bit of fun. So I originally got the DJI Pocket 3 after a few frustrations trying to use my iPhone when I was filming videos. It was a little difficult to actually see behind the camera, and I did want to kind of use the best lens possible, not the selfie camera. So there are a few bits of experimentation going on. I got the DJI Osmo 6 gimbal. That was okay, but it wasn't great for using the main camera, which is what I wanted to do. You kind of had to flip it around in its cradle, and that was really awkward. At the same time, I started seeing a lot of videos about the Insta360 Flow, and actually all of the videos were saying that was beating the pants off the DJI Osmo 6. So I sent the Osmo 6 back. Jeff Bezos, you don't get another yacht off me. And then I ordered the Insta360 Flow. A couple of days went past when I started seeing all this stuff about the DJI Pocket 3. Now this is bearing in mind I'd already gone through the Full Aim X5 wireless microphones, and those were a bit plasticky. So those got returned, and I ordered the DJI mic set instead. That was solidly built, can't fault it really. But then this Pocket 3 came up with the mic 2 in the Creator Combo set. So yes, I don't know, Jeff Bezos might be able to afford a speedboat this month, because I returned the DJI mics and the Insta360 Flow and ordered the Pocket 3. And it's turning out to be bloody great so far. Watch out for the cat. Is that Nigel? Wow. He's a long way from home. Right, now to try something really fun. So, I've got the Mini 4 Pro, here we go. Got my controller. Now what I'm going to do is find a suitable place to take off, which is about here. And we'll put the ActiveTrack on the Mini 4 Pro and see if it can track it up into the air. Right. Wish me luck. Okay, let's see what happens here then. Oh my good Lord. Let's get some height. Is following it. Wow. Do you know what? I ought to record on here as well. So, cousins, meet each other. Right, let's see if I can do an orbit around this beacon. Still following it. Still following, still following. That's amazing. Go. And I think it's lost it. Or has it? Right, let's stop that. Exit that. This will be the test. Yeah. Did lose it, but did go quite a way out, and it's a little thing. So just ActiveTrack again. And now obviously if I go too far this way, how about if I do an orbit around us? Now, this is controlling two cameras at once. Oh, it's lost it again. Wonder if I can just move back into that space where the, yeah, picked it up again. Right, let's move her around a bit. Let's move her out. Now let's make us the point of interest. And just make sure I'm not going to hit the car. Move out. Now at some point we should end up with gimbal lock, because the Pocket 3 doesn't go 360 degrees of the way around. I think it's about 270, but it can't just keep going round and round and round. It can go fast around. And that's where it ends for the Pocket 3's gimbal. Let's stop that. Now, can we get the Mini 4 Pro over and get the Pocket 3 to pick it up? No, not quite. No, it's too long a gap for it to reacquire it. Oh, it doesn't like it if you go too quickly up. So how fast do we think we can go? Right. See? Okay, well, that's about done that test. So it does track it to a certain extent. Actually, I'm going to need to clap. Am I going to need to clap? I'm going to need to clap. Right. That's just for syncing the video. There we go. Got the noise cancelling on now. So I think that concludes it. The Pocket 3 can track a Mini 4 Pro, but not too far. It does a damn good job though, and certainly on that orbit that we did, it went all the way around. So, good bit of fun. If you've enjoyed this and you'd like to see more of my little adventures, then please subscribe and like this video. It'll get it out to more people. Thanks a lot. Bye.